Hello and welcome to Money Control. Let's catch up on the latest news from the stock market. From significant investments to major deals, order wins, and acquisition, here's a quick look at which stocks will be in focus in today's trade. First up, HDFC Life Insurance Company. HDFC Life Insurance Company Q3 standalone year-on-year profit grew by 13.66% to Rs 414.9 crore in comparison to Rs 365 crore. Net premium income jumped by 10% to Rs 16,771.3 crore. Net commission also zoomed by 55.1% to Rs 1,932.5 crore. If we talk about the total annual premium equivalent, then it rose by 11.9% to Rs 3,569 crore. Value of new business also increased by 8.6% to Rs 930 crore. Second stock that is going to be in focus is L&T Technology Services. L&T Technology Services Q3 consolidated profit increased by 0.87% to Rs 322.4 crore. If we talk about the quarter-on-quarter revenue, then it zoomed by 3.1% to Rs 2,653 crore. EBITDA also jumped by 8.8% to Rs 421.9 crore. If we talk about EBIT, then it jumped by 8.8% to Rs 421.9 crore. EBIT margin expanded by 80 bps to 15.9%. In fact, the dollar revenue jumped by 1.7% to $311.9 million. Third stock that is going to be in focus is CEAT. CEAT Q3 consolidated year-on-year profit tanked 46.5% to Rs 97.1 crore. Revenue grew by 11.4% to Rs 3,300 crore in comparison to Rs 2,963.1 crore. EBITDA falls by 18.3% to Rs 340.9 crore. Margin declines 380 bps to 10.3%. Fourth stock that is going to be in focus is Transrail Lighting. Transrail Lighting Q2 consolidated year-on-year profit jumped by 19.1% to Rs 55.1 crore in comparison to Rs 46.3 crore. In fact, the revenues also jumped by 11.4% to Rs 1,088.4 crore in comparison to Rs 977.2 crore. EBITDA also jumped by 16.2% to Rs 138.4 crore. Margin expanded by 50 bps to 12.7% in comparison to 12.2%. Fifth stock that is going to be in focus is Azaad Engineering. The company has signed a long-term supply agreement with GE Vernova International LLC USA for the supply of highly engineered complex rotating and stationary airfoils for advanced gas turbine engines to meet their global demand in power generation industry. This current phase of the contract valued at $112 million. With that, it's a wrap. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and please like, share and subscribe to Money Control's YouTube channel.